Third part of question number 4. Two equation, that is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 6. a2 is 4, b2 is minus 2, c2 is minus 4. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is minus 1 by 4. From the first you can clearly see that a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. So the pair of equation is consistent. Pair of equation is consistent. Okay. Now we have to find the solution for this. I am directly writing the equation. Here 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. I already done this. I am just drawing the graph with the help of this. So let's see the points. X is 2, y is 2. This is the point. X is 1, y is 4. X is minus 1 and y is 8. This is the point. Now join the points. This is for 2x plus y minus 6. Name the points. This is minus 1, 8. Now this is 1, 4, and this is 2. X is 2, y is 2. Now for the second equation, x is 1, y is 0. Next is x is 0, y is minus 2. This is the point. Next is x is 2 and y is 2. This is the common point. Okay, so the lines intersect. You can clearly now draw the graph. Join the lines. This is for 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now name the points. This point is 0 minus 2, and this point is x is 1, y is 0. So the equations have pair of equation is consistent and intersect at this point. Okay.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.